My name is Aarron, an Australian aerobatic pilot, lucky enough to be here in the US of A at the SoCal Airshow at March Air Reserve Base. It is such an honor. Right behind me now, I've got the Thunderbirds, and over there, the F-35s. I mean, to be here at this premium event is such an honor. I'm flying the Extra 330 SC. It's a highly agile and very aggressive aircraft, and I take it to its absolute limit. I do plus or minus 10 G. I'm doing 220 knots all the way to a standstill hover. I take it for its full range of flying capabilities to try and leave everyone in awe thinking, hang on, a plane shouldn't be able to do that. I kind of take it to those zones. A little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Australia. I got into flying because I met a pilot. I met a military pilot like the Thunderbirds in Australia, and this young kid, he was maybe around 22 while I was 14, opened a whole new world to me. I walked up to him and I said, "What do you do?" And he's like, "I'm a pilot." I was like, okay, what does that mean? I never comprehended that a pilot is a career or what that is. And we went through this whole conversation. He's like, "Yeah, I fly jets, I do this." I'm like, "That's not a job." He's like, "Yeah, it is. I get paid for that." I'm like, "Can I do that?" And I'm pretty sure at that point he looked at me and was like, yeah, you can, you know, hesitantly, but he just gave me a spark. And so for me, it's so important at these shows to connect with every individual and try and find that spark for them. Whether it is becoming a pilot, a mechanic, going into accounting, whatever division or whatever job or career or life that you want to pursue, doing it with absolute passion, just living your dream life. Everyone has a dream. It's just believing yourself and going and doing that. So that's kind of what I try to do with my flying, is show that I'm living my dream and hopefully encourage everyone around me and inspire them to live their dream. Today, I'm going to be bringing the heat, the Aussie heat. I'm going to be tumbling this aircraft and using another control that you don't see being used in aircraft often. So there's an elevator, there's a rudder, and there's ailerons. We also have a throttle that makes us go faster and slower. But we have a propeller on the aircraft. I utilize a physics, essentially. It's called gyroscopic precession, where when I put an input in, because of the rotation of the propeller, it delays that input by 90 degrees, depending on the way the propeller is spinning. I use that to make my maneuvers much more aggressive and create the aircraft to tumble and stop and do all different things that you've never seen a plane before. So I'm going to be bringing the absolute most, and I hope you guys see it and love it.
Champion, reigning Sky Grand Prix champion, former Australian Unlimited Aerobatics champion, record holder for the highest scoring positioning of any Australian aerobatic pilot in an unlimited world competition, international airshow pilot, champion aerospace and air race pilot, flying a patriotic U.S.-Australia inspired Extra 330 SC aerobatic aircraft.
I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. A good time. Don't stop me now. A good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Yeah. I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars. On a
Aarron with outside snaps on the vertical upline. Watch this as the aircraft just comes to a stop. Look at that.
ready to reload. Banging out a bomb.
Hanging on his own tail, falling back to his own smoke. Woo-hoo-hoo, what a ride.
200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. Make a supersonic woman of you. Don't stop me, don't stop me.
Outside snaps at the top of the loop. Look at that, the entire aircraft just tumbling across the sky.
Don't stop me, don't stop me.
degrees of roll rate. You just saw it that fast. Once again, Aarron disappears in his own smoke. Goes upside down, going down in a knife edge spin. Look out, here he comes at show center.
I can't remember all of the nights I don't remember when you're around me. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough. You're the medicine and the pain, the tattoo inside my brain, and baby you know it's I'm a sucker for you.
Right there, he's pushing negative G's. That's the force of gravity trying to throw him out of the cockpit as he tumbles across the sky. Look at that tail coming all the way over the top.
I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about.
Now watch this, ladies and gentlemen. He'll slow that aircraft down literally to a hover right there for a few seconds.
It's true, I'm a sucker for you. I'm happy up alone if you feel like a room without a roof. I'm happy up alone if you feel like happiness is. Why don't we leave it there?
I clip this. Step one down. I get knocked high. I'm going to push straight down to the ground and push. And I drop my feet as you can hear me in the seat. I do all for you. Here we are, double to the line. My altitude is good. There will be a couple of stops here. Holding it. And we're going to reverse it. We're going to bring it up. Gain some altitude here. Forward. Here we go, taking it over.
As it was. We know it's not the same.
Look at those seabirds. The thunderbirds here performing. It's absolutely amazing. They're after me, and I have to tell you, so honored to be able to fly by before them. They're the best in the world, and here I'm going to give you a Polaroid.
Just wants to know that you will.
I'm putting it into a flat spin right now as the plane rotates around its axis. I'm going to fly out, go to the right again. I'm going to fly to one of my favorite maneuvers, which I call the boomerang. Obviously, I am Australian, and I have to have a maneuver called the boomerang. Here we go.
It's not the same as it was. As it was.
I'm going to pick it up, forward loaded, and go. What does the boomerang do? It always comes back to where it started.
I can sleep in I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I just.
I'm going to pass right now behind the Thunderbirds and give a bit of opportunity to everyone in the video hall.
I'm running out of time. Cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road.
You know what? Go upside down. Here we go.
Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's
I have to tell you, one of my favorite sayings is life is better upside down. Obviously, I was born and raised in Australia, which is on the opposite side of the earth. Here we go. Let's see if it goes around. Here we go. The outside mini loop. So right now, guys, I'm going to pull down my engine and set up to one of my favorite maneuvers, which is called the hover. It's now bring the aircraft to a complete standstill and stop right in front of you. It is my final stage, but it's amazing aircraft. Look how it's a large, well-timed, airplane. Amazing aircraft. I want everyone, when I do it, I want you to yell out, Sparky, up. My engine is clean. I'm going to set on the down line. Build some speed, and here we go.
So good it hurts, I don't want it.
Everyone, can you come with me right now? We're going to do a thing we call the instant pass. Number 5, from forward west to the right with the markers past the Thunderbirds. Past the Adventure, and go to the vehicle and come back. Up, down, as you know I like it. So here we go. Move your thumbs up. Remember to tag me and follow me on Instagram or YouTube.
I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my trunk. Cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act right, we can put it on the black card.
I love it, uh-oh. So good it hurts, I don't want it. I gotta have it, uh-oh. When I can't just go. I don't like it, no, I love it.
Look at that crowd! Ray, SFS, everyone, you've been so amazing! Thank you so much! I'll be on the ground, I'm going to be on the far right, to go down the far right, I'm just starting third quarter, I'm heading out places. Come on down, say hello, and when you see me, say, Quacky!
Yeah, party all practice all aboard. Let's all aboard, all aboard.